Welcome to Price You Got Cell Phone Buying Guide for 2014. In this video, we are going to decide if the Samsung Galaxy S4 is a valuable product right now since it was launched in mid-2013. We are also going to see how well it fares when compared to the similar products in its category that were more recently launched. When something is interesting, people talk about it. The more the number of people talking about a product, the more interesting it is. So we queried Twitter and found out still 2.5 million people are chattering about the S4. That amounts to around 8,000 people per day. That was indeed a significant for a product that was launched about 10 to 11 months back, and that's why we decided to dig more information. Price Jugaad helped us to plot a graph of the prices of the products from Samsung that lied in the vicinity of the S4's price. The S4 shown here was the cheapest possible deal from the entire online shopping industry. So right now buying an S4 is fairly lighter on your pocket than buying a Galaxy Note 2 or a Galaxy Mega 6.3 or an S4 Zoom. This leads us to believe that although each of these products have their unique selling point, the S4 provided a perfect balance of its cost and the specification it offers that had made it last in the seller's shelves till now, and in most cases faring better than the more recently launched products. The launch of the Galaxy S5 is imminent, which means that the prices of the S4 will drop further, and drastically so. So it's probably an amazing time to buy an S4 if you are looking for a well-performing Android device. We will now see what makes the Galaxy stand out. While most of the functionalities of the device around these price ranges are pretty similar, we managed to find a few stark differences of the S4 and its rivals. The S4 gives you a mind-blowing display size and clarity. We can see this since it fares exactly the same as the more recently launched flagship products from Google and Sony, while the other two products fare considerably poor. Most of the products that are similarly priced, except the iPhone 5s, that costs you almost double this amount. This leads us to find out more that the Galaxy S4 has to offer. Comparing the processing speeds and the memory of these 5 cell phones, we found out that the S4 again gives you a uniquely advantageous processing speed. The memory on these devices are mostly similar, with the S4 delivering the top-notch performance yet again. The highest power hog for cell phones are the CPUs and the displays. We see here that although the Nexus 5 offers a significantly higher processing speed than the S4, in most cases with the optimized versions of the operating systems running on these devices, you will never notice a lag. This strategically advantageous processing speed is a blessing on the battery life of the product. Here we can see how much juice the battery has got in each of these phones and how well they last. The S4 is a clear winner for obvious reasons. Yet again, we search pricejugaad.com to find out the best possible place to buy the Galaxy S4 right now. While Flipkart and Amazon's Indian store was selling it at 27,000, the other extreme was Landmark, who were giving it to you at a whopping 41,500 rupees. That was the initial MRP of the product. Flipkart and Amazon's price right now gives you the perfect deal to buy the product for its specifications compared to its rivals. So, sourcing all this data from Price Jugaad, it's imperative to say that this device is still a stellar thing to buy. Price Jugaad also gives you details like in-depth comparison of products as well as from retailers, both online and brick and mortar shops. Please head on to the URL to find out for yourself. We hope this data has been useful to you to make an informative decision to buy the S4. We will be updating this channel with more such videos with data that is interesting to us. Please stay tuned. Thank you.